Window installation in Austin, Texas is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Austin Window Installation Services provide a range of options, including vinyl window replacement, Hornsby Bend TX, and double-pane windows Austin TX, to ensure optimal insulation and reduced energy costs. For those in Hornsby Bend TX, vinyl window replacement Hornsby Bend offers a durable and cost-effective solution for upgrading your windows. These windows are designed to withstand the local climate while providing excellent insulation and noise reduction. Residential window replacement. Austin services cater to homeowners seeking to improve their home's comfort and value. Commercial window replacement Hornsby Bend TX services are tailored to meet the unique needs of businesses, offering custom window solutions that enhance both functionality and appearance. Window glass replacement Austin TX is essential for maintaining the clarity and safety of your windows, ensuring they remain in top condition. Window frame replacement. Hornsby Bend is a vital service for addressing any structural issues that may compromise the integrity of your windows. Storm window installation. Austin provides an added layer of protection against harsh weather conditions, safeguarding your property from potential damage. Window sealing services. Hornsby Bend TX are crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Regular window maintenance. Austin, Texas helps extend the lifespan of your windows, keeping them in optimal condition. Window upgrade options. Hornsby Bend offer a variety of styles and features to suit any preference. Window hardware replacement. Austin ensures that all components of your windows function smoothly and securely. Window screen installation Hornsby Bend TX provides an effective barrier against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Window tinting services. Austin offer privacy and UV protection, enhancing the comfort of your home or office. Window caulking Hornsby Bend is an essential step in sealing gaps and preventing air leaks. Window leak replacement Austin TX addresses any issues that may lead to water damage or increased energy bills. Window replacement Hornsby Bend TX is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Window design consultation. Austin helps you choose the perfect window style options. Austin TX for your property, taking into account both aesthetic and functional considerations. Window measurement services Hornsby Bend ensure a precise fit for all window installations, maximizing performance and appearance. Window safety features Hornsby Bend TX provide peace of mind, protecting your family and property from potential hazards. Window warranty services offer assurance that your investment is protected, with coverage for any defects or issues that may arise. Custom windows. Austin, Texas are designed to meet your specific needs, offering a personalized touch to your home or business. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows Austin or seeking to enhance your property's curb appeal, the right window solutions can make all the difference.